This tutorial is about the pricing analysis of the customer universe, and it is part of the strategicfrontend.com global enterprise management system. If you are assigned for pricing analysis, then you got the name and the password from your admin, and then you can log in. You will find your pricing analysis on the icon on the left hand side of your assigned activity of the dashboard, and is activated. So then you can push on the pricing analysis, and what you will see are four things. One are the pricing of your winning transactions, then of the pricing of your lost transactions, then the competitor pricing for the major product, and then actually the product pricing for the major product so far. So if you click on the one transaction, what you will see, is exactly the information about the transaction. You have one product, category, channel, quantity, which price, what was the volume, and what was more important, what were the sales driver, what were the key success factors, which were important for the customer for awarding this kind of contract. So you see, interchange of forecasting was important, the innovation power, and tracking and tracing. And you see also the offer from your competitor, which was Banner, and the price and the discount he was given. And you can also have the option to find out variation of the product links and so on. So you have quite an interesting analytic background to find out what is the price sensitivity, the market price for a particular customer group and product, and also what drives actually the elasticity of pricing, or how important is price in comparison to the other sales drivers. The same thing we can do for the lost transaction, where we have lost, actually I think at a customer ABB to Allen Bradley, this kind of product in this category. Direct channel, this was the discount, the quantity, the price he offered, the volume, and also I think the sales drivers, what was important, which we maybe could not do so much. So this is actually, I think, a very good kind of analysis for the pricing side. Here on the competitor pricing, you see again this was the major transaction, and also I think on the product side you will have the similar kind of possibility for analyzing prices in a market. Especially I think if you go into segments of your market and compare the pricing variation and the success factors between segments at the same product, it could be actually highly interesting to find out whether your pricing strategy is on track, or you could actively adjust them on the transaction level, or even you have to reposition your pricing for different markets and for different value-added stages in the market, because from a strategic perspective this could be well be, and on the other hand you could also, I think, find out whether on a transaction level, even industry dynamics, like new capacity came to market or demand, went down. Things like this could be said, so that you are able to do three things: change your perspective on industry pricing, on market and product pricing, and on discount conditions, things like this on a transaction level.